Our calendar is more than just a way to track days. It's a complex system that reflects our understanding of time and history. It's a tapestry of time woven with the threads of history, each thread representing a significant moment in our collective past. Each date is a marker pointing to events both grand and ordinary, from monumental discoveries to everyday occurrences that shaped our world. But have you ever stopped to think about how our calendar came to be? The journey of its creation is as fascinating as the history it records. It's a story that takes us back centuries, to the birth of a new era, and the evolution of how we measure and perceive time. Our calendar, the one used by much of the world today, is centered around a single pivotal point, the traditional year of Jesus Christ's birth. This pivotal event divides time into two major periods, BC, before Christ, and AD, Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. Understanding these designations is key to unlocking the chronology of human history, providing a framework for the events that have shaped our world. So let's embark on a journey through time, exploring the origins and significance of BC and AD, and how this division has influenced our understanding of history and time itself. BC stands for before Christ. It encompasses all the years preceding the traditional year of Jesus' birth. When we speak of events occurring in BC, we're essentially counting backwards to that pivotal moment. The further back in time we go, the larger the BC year becomes. Imagine a vast cosmic clock, with the birth of Jesus marking a significant tick on its face. BC represents the epochs before that defining moment, a time when empires rose and fell, civilizations flourished, and humanity took its first steps toward a more interconnected world. AD, on the other hand, stands for Anno Domini, a Latin phrase meaning in the year of the Lord. It encompasses all the years since the traditional year of Jesus' birth. As we move further away from that point, the AD year increases, marking the passage of centuries and millennia. AD signifies the era shaped by the influence of Christianity and the many cultural, scientific, and technological advancements that have unfolded since then. It's a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and our enduring quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Section 4. Where's year zero? You might be wondering, what about the year zero? Surprisingly, there isn't one. This might come as a shock to many, especially considering how we are accustomed to the concept of zero in our modern numerical system. The transition from BC to AD is seamless, with 1 BC immediately followed by 1 AD. There is no 0 year in between, which can be quite puzzling at first glance. This might seem counterintuitive, but it makes sense when we consider the historical context. The BC-AD system was devised long after the events it describes, and the concept of zero was not yet prevalent in Europe. The BC-AD system wasn't developed until centuries after the events it sought to chronicle. It was a retrospective system created to provide a uniform way of dating historical events. Dionysius Exiguus, a 6th century monk, is credited with calculating the traditional year of Jesus' birth and establishing the Anno Domini era. His work laid the foundation for the calendar system we use today. At the time, the concept of zero as a placeholder in numerical systems was not yet widely used in Europe. The idea of zero originated in ancient India and took centuries to spread to Europe. The concept of zero was revolutionary and transformed mathematics, but it wasn't until much later that it was integrated into European numerical systems. This explains why there is no year zero in our calendar. Understanding this historical context helps us appreciate the intricacies of our calendar system and the evolution of numerical concepts over time. Section 5. From monks to modernity, the evolution of our calendar. The journey of our calendar is a fascinating tale that spans centuries and continents, reflecting the collective wisdom and efforts of countless scholars and civilizations. The story of our calendar is a testament to the interconnectedness of human knowledge. It is a chronicle of how different cultures and eras have contributed to the way we measure and understand time today. Dionysius Exiguus's calculations were later popularized by the Venerable Bede, an English monk and scholar. In his influential work, The Ecclesiastical History of the English People, Bede's meticulous work not only preserved historical records but also played a crucial role in the dissemination of the AD system. Bede's adoption of the AD system helped to standardize its use throughout Europe. His scholarly influence extended far beyond his own time, laying the groundwork for a unified method of dating events. Over time, it became the dominant method of dating historical events in the Western world. This system allowed for a more cohesive understanding of history, bridging gaps between different regions and cultures. The BC AD system, while rooted in Christian tradition, has transcended its religious origins to become a global framework for understanding the chronology of human history. It serves as a universal language of time, enabling scholars and historians from diverse backgrounds to communicate and collaborate more effectively.